Done on this man. Morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Please, we just want to know the essence of your visit to Moabiakwa today.
Somebody coming to see his brother. Well, good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. My visit here is simply a courtesy call to the governor, my own brother, just in line with my policy of visiting the various leaders, governors of various states, and stakeholders across Nigeria, in line with my aspiration to serve the country. And of course, you can't talk about the leaders in the Southeast without thinking of Governor Ikpeazu. So I've come here as a brother to update him about what I'm doing. Thank you.
Okay, picture.
Where is your guy's phone? It is to get a picture.
No. I think I must have left it there. Benji? Benji? Is that my phone? I left it there.
Okay.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.